Hello guys, how to fix blue screen error 0xc0000023 on Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator and in command prompt Windows execute first DISM tool to scan your system for DISM scan health, DISM check health, and DISM restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows to scan your system health and restore your system health. Thereafter, execute the command sfc scan now. sfc space slash scan now and press enter and wait till 100% completion of verification. This command will check your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Once completed, restart your Windows and check whether your blue screen of death error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search and type Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Open Windows Memory Diagnostic app in your system. And here, check your computer for memory problems. Memory problems can cause your computer to lose information or stop working. So choose restart now and check for problems. The first option, and follow on screen instruction to complete the process and check whether your blue screen error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open and here look for any faulty driver having yellow color exclamation mark. So expand them and right click on it and choose update driver. Sometimes outdated driver may be a cause of blue screen of death error appear on your system. So you must keep your all driver updated. If you found other, apply same method and update your device driver. Error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I. Open Windows settings in your system. Here from the left side, go to Windows Update. Thereafter go to right side and click on check for updates. If any update available, simply download and install it, and otherwise if any restart required, then restart your system and follow on screen instruction to complete the process and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, clean boot your system. Right click on start button, choose run. It will open run dialog box. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type msconfig command. Click on OK. System configuration window will open now and here from the top menu bar go to services and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services from the bottom left corner and choose disable all from the right side and thereafter go to a startup from the top menu bar and open task manager. Look for under startup apps in task manager, look for any enabled apps on a startup, manually disable it. Simply look for any enabled startup apps, simply right click on it and choose disable from the drop down menu. Apply this process for all the other enabled startup apps in your system. Thereafter close the window and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your blue screen error resolved or not. If not, uninstall recently installed Windows Update. Again go to settings by pressing key and from the left side go to Windows Update. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option update history. Click on it. Scroll down and from the bottom of the page you will find the option under related settings uninstall updates. Click on it and here you will find all your latest installed Windows Update. Simply latest update uninstall it. Recently update, uninstall and restart your system.